Welcome to our channel. Today. We're diving into the simple steps to activate your Bank of America debit card, so you can start using it right away. Welcome to our channel. Activating your Bank of America debit card is a straightforward process that you can complete in just a few minutes. Here is a detailed guide to get your card ready for use. Fast start by locating the activation information that came with your debit card. This might be a sticker on the card itself or a note included in the mailing package. Next, you can activate your card in one of three convenient ways. First is by phone. Call the number provided with your card. Follow the automated prompts. You may be asked to enter your card number, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and possibly verify other personal information. This method is simple and secure. The second method is online. Visit the official Bank of America website and navigate to the debit card activation page. You'll need to log into your online banking account if you have one. If you do not have account access, yet you might be prompted to create an online banking profile, just follow the instructions to enter your card details. Once submitted, your card will be activated quickly and securely. The third way is using the Bank of America mobile app. Download the app from your phone's app store. If you haven't already, once logged in, select the option for card management, and then choose Activate Card. Follow the guided steps and enter the necessary information like your card number and personal details. After completing any of these activation options, your card will be ready to use in most cases immediately. Keep in mind that you may need to make your first purchase or withdrawal using your PIN for security reasons. Also, ensure your card is signed on the back. Your card activation is essential for fraud protection and to unlock all the features and benefits of your Bank of America debit card. Remember that customer service is available 24/7 if you run into any issues, or if you prefer to activate your card with an agent on the phone, simply call the Bank of America support line, and an expert will assist you. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful financial tips and guides.